Planes, helicopters, foreign firefighters, and prisoners are busy extinguishing the fire in Los Angeles. Not only U.S. government agencies, but also foreign firefighters and thousands of male and female prisoners are participating in efforts to extinguish the massive fire that has caused widespread destruction in the city of Los Angeles, California. In addition, the Pentagon has reported that special planes and helicopters equipped with special firefighting systems are also participating in the firefighting efforts. The number of prisoners participating in the Los Angeles firefighting effort is 939, and they are part of the California Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation's volunteer program. The number of prisoners in the volunteer program began to increase on Tuesday as the Los Angeles fires spiraled out of control. So far, the fire has destroyed thousands of homes and burned 37,000 acres of land. Thousands of emergency workers are busy trying to put out the fire. Authorities say that 11 people have also died due to this fire. There are 35 fire camps in the U.S. state where prisoners serve their sentences and receive training. 2 of them are exclusively for women. The number of prisoners registered in this volunteer program is 1,870, of which more than 900 are working with state firefighters to extinguish the fires in Southern California. According to our correspondent John Sidworth in Los Angeles, helicopters could be seen dropping 3,000 gallons of water on the trees at a time during the day on Saturday. According to him, these helicopters return with their tanks filled and once again become busy fighting this uncontrolled fire. Special planes are spraying a dark red liquid over the surrounding hills, helping to extinguish the fire and stop its spread. This is a specific fire retardant through which it may be possible to prevent the rapid spread of fire. A statement issued by the Pentagon said that 2 C-130 Hercules aircraft, which are also equipped with firefighting systems, are participating in the firefighting process. Pentagon spokeswoman Sabrina Singh told reporters that 10 Navy helicopters equipped with water-dropping systems are also participating in the operation, while other C-130 aircraft will also be used for this purpose. According to local media, Pentagon officials said that because the fire did not occur during the normal firefighting season, some C-130 aircraft have been retrofitted with modular airborne firefighting system units to make these cargo planes firefighting capable. On the other hand, neighboring Mexico has sent 70 firefighters and relief workers to the United States to deal with the fire. Similarly, neighboring Canada has sent firefighters, while personnel from firefighting departments in other U.S. states have also been sent to Los Angeles. Governor Newsom said on Saturday that he has increased the number of California National Guard personnel in Los Angeles to 1,700. We are mobilizing resources to respond to this fire. The men and women of the California National Guard are working day and night to help the residents of Los Angeles in this time of need, he said in a statement. Currently, these inmates can be seen outside the prison working alongside firefighters from the California Department of Forestry and Conservation, CDCR, in orange uniforms. The CDCR said the prisoners were trying to start a fire and are moving all flammable objects out of the way. This volunteer program for prisoners was started in 1946 and has been both criticized and supported by many. The California government pays these prisoners $5 to $10 a day and an additional $1 for working in any emergency, but the wages they receive are far less than the salaries paid to government firefighters, who earn millions of dollars annually. Prisoners get a few lashes compared to the people you work with, says a former prisoner named Royal Rami. If you die while trying to put out a fire, you don't get any benefits. You won't get any rewards, nor will you be recognized as a firefighter. However, Rami says that even this low wage is more than the amount of money earned through hard labor in other state prisons. He added that these fire camps have a picnic-like atmosphere and the food here is better than in other prisons in California. The CDRC says that prisoners attending these camps can also have their sentences reduced through certain services. However, prisoners involved in serious crimes are not made part of this program. Rami says that prisoners who train at state campuses after being released from prison often apply for firefighting jobs but are not hired. There is an element of insult or denigration here, he says. When people think of a firefighter, they picture a hero, not someone who has been in prison. With all of this in mind, Rami founded an organization aimed at solving the problems of incarcerated firefighters and filling the shortage of firefighters in California. There are currently 5 fires burning in Los Angeles, causing billions of dollars in damage. State officials have also called in 7,500 emergency workers from remote areas due to a lack of resources, including the National Guard and firefighters from Canada. The fires there are still difficult to control, and the Palisades and Eaton fires have burned 35,000 acres.